Hey everyone, I'm Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today we are going to be doing my second Boxycharm box. Just to let you know quickly that Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box from the US. It has 3 different boxes. It has the base, the premium, and the luxe. The luxe comes out every 3 months, the base obviously every month. And you need the base to get the luxe. But you don't need the base to get the premium, and the premium is every month. So Boxycharm is $25 a month plus $5 to ship to Canada. And sorry, I have my phone ready because apparently Boxycharm is now sending out a digital card insert, so I have it set up so I could read it, and of course my phone won't stay in one place, right? So anyway, if you use my referral code, there are 2 codes that you can use. I believe one is LOVESTORY and the other one is DRLOVE. You can either get the, where is it here? I think it's right here. Let's see if I can grab it out. You could get this palette with the LOVESTORY, seriously phone. This palette here, I have not used it, I have not tried it, it is on my list of things to do, as well, or the Dr. Brandt moisturizer, and I just like knocked everything over there. Okay, so anyway, with that being said, they do have the pop-up sale right now, so if you do sign up, you will have access to that. It has items up to 50 to 60% off, and it's really nice. I've got coming in. Hopefully those will ship out soon. If you guys watched my other unboxing, you'll know that I got the Becca foundation, I got the Alamar brushes, I got the Fab wipes, and the hemp wipes, as well as the Ciate London coconut setting powder, which I have not tried. I have worn the Becca twice, and I have to say I really, really like it. I'm starting to get used to it. Seriously, phone. The Alamar brushes are really, really nice. I'm trying to get into using them. I haven't used the bronzing one because I don't generally bronze. And what was the other item from there? Oh, and I do like the wipes. I've actually used the wipes 2 nights in a row already. So, anyway, let's get into this box and see what I got. So let's see here. So I'm guessing this isn't the same variation that I got before. And I did ask for the Iconic palette for this one. But I never got confirmation. So I'm not sure if this is it or not. Oh. Well, look at that. I actually got the box I wanted. Yes. Okay. So, I got the Luxie brushes. Look at those are gorgeous brushes. Sponges. So I'm going to give this sponges a try. I did try the microfiber one, and I don't mind it. The one I got from Beautylish. So I'm kind of excited to get this because I'm not a big, huge sponge person, but I would like to start using it. So I'll leave those wrapped up. So this is valued at $40. Ouch. Okay, so okay. Ooh. Okay, so it comes with a small one. Does it say what it does? Oh, come on, phone. Oh, okay. So it does not say on oh, okay, it does. Okay, so it says Luxie Detailed Blender, Luxie Precision Blender, and Luxie Powder Blender. Okay. So, I mean, I really like this one. I know that's weird, right? I'm weird. Okay. So, I mean, they seem nice and dense. They seem cool. I mean, like, cool to the touch, not cool, like, you know. Anyway. Okay, so the next item I see is Queen. No, I don't want to do that. Okay, so Queen Satin Liquid Stain is valued at $17. Let's see what color I got. A red? Come on. just for once, I'd like to open this and not rip it. Fine, whatever. Okay, well, that is a violent red. I'm not going to open that up. I'm going to maybe pop that in a giveaway. That is a violent red. So, if you get this, please note that I'm really bad at opening things. So, I have giveaways going on. This will go in one of my giveaways. Okay, so that's valued at $17. I got another Ciate London coconut powder. I will definitely be throwing this in a giveaway. The coconut powder is valued at $22. I also got the Moda Pro 5-piece brush kit for $26. Okay, here's the funny thing is that I did get these brushes in a BoxyLuxe, but I got 8 brushes altogether. I really like these brushes, so I'm not going to complain, and I don't think it counts if I got them in the 8-piece, but I don't know. I'm not, like I said, I'm not really going to complain. And then I might have picked some up in the Boxy sale for $5. So maybe I'll put one of these in a giveaway. I really do like Moda Pro. I like Royal and Langnickel. This is a really nice set. I will be keeping one of these sets, whether it's this one or the other one. I'm not sure. So then, and those are valued at, did I say $26? Okay. So, oh my gosh, this is huge. Oh my gosh, I wonder if, is it here too? Oh, it is here too. Alright, so, like, it's thick. Day to Slay. Okay, so this is valued at, where is it here? $62. Ouch. Oh. Oh, I really like that. It's like, so like, it's like insetted, if that makes a sense. It's like set in as I like poke at one of the colors. Wow. Girl Boss is definitely a shade I will be using. So gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. I'm super excited about this. I have heard not so great comments on this, and I've heard some good comments on this palette. There's a color called Marshmallow Peach Fizz Bellini. I'm gonna do let's see here. So like, it's funny because I got another iconic. So this isn't the first one, so this is the second one. And the one is thicker than the other one. But this is Sunset to Sunrise, Day to Slay. I really like the names of their palettes. Anyway, I'm going to do a look with this, and I will get back to you on it. That's why I'm not going to do any swatches, because I'm not sure which colors I'm going to use. But I have to say, like, I'm pretty thrilled with this box. So, so the palette was $60. The brushes, not brushes, the sponges were $40. There's $100 right there. $124 plus 26 is 150, 60, 160, I guess. And then 17 for the lipstick. So that's $177. Ouch. That is actually pretty good. So the other box I got was $44 plus 36, so that's 80 plus 22, which is 102 plus 16. 122 plus 16 is 138. Plus 40 or $10 is 148. So there is a bit of a difference. What I'm kind of disappointed with my other box, not that the value doesn't add up necessarily, it's just that it's either high end or very low end. Do you know what I mean? Like, I got the Iconic palette, which was $60 on its own, so maybe I should have got the wipes and the Fabs because they were a little bit lower, and then the brush or the sponges, the $40 sponges could have been put in here with something, with the lipstick, let's say, because that's $50 right there. And that would have balanced it out a little bit more and made it more even, right? Like, there shouldn't be $30 discrepancy, I don't think. I'm not going to complain because I did get both boxes, but as a consumer, if I saw somebody else getting, you know, something so much more, I'm like, and then I'm also seeing people getting the iconic palette and 2 sets of sponges. Like, that doesn't make any sense to me at all. I don't see why the Alamar and the sponges couldn't have been more of in every box as well. And then maybe a wiping pad. Like the other one, I had two different ones as a pad, one was a wipe. But still, it was kind of odd that both of them, mind you, I can use both of them, one to wipe off the makeup and one to, exfoliate tone. And then, you know, which is fine with me. Don't get me wrong. I'm not going to complain about either one of my boxes. But I do see why other people could complain. And I would be completely on their side. But with that being said, I'm happy. And I really hope that you are happy with your Boxycharm. Now, I did sign up my second account to get the Too Faced palette, and apparently I am not getting it. So they've credited me 4,500 charms in lieu of the palette, which is okay. It's not the answer I really wanted. They wanted to send me the Tarte palette, which I already have, and I haven't even, like, I put it away, and now I have to pull it out and try and do a look with it as well. So Boxycharm can be a bit of I want to say like scam artists, it feels like, because they said to me 2 months ago, yeah, you're getting it, it'll be coming, and then all of a sudden I'm not. So I'm trying not to dwell on these little issues because, I mean, there's bigger things going on in the world, and this is makeup, this is supposed to be fun. So anyway, if you want one of these boxes, so the 3 main items are this, the Becca foundation in your shade, okay? Or there's also, was it Kate Somerville moisturizer, I believe. And then there is the QMS eye cream. Now, it's a smaller one than the one I got in my first Boxy Premuim. And I will tell you this, that eye cream is one of the few eye creams I have liked. I have used every day since I've gotten it, twice a day. And I believe I got that premium back in October. And I'm touching the bottom, but I have still I have a ring still to go through. So, I mean, I've gotten probably 90 days out of it using it twice a day. So it is done a lot. Now, do I see any difference? I don't know. I think I do. I find that the skin is not as drab and dreary, even when I'm not getting any sleep. I like it. It feels like it's not as wrinkly. It feels like it's fuller. With that also being said, I also wanted to comment on the e.l.f. palette I used. And for $3, let's just say I wasted $3. It's not as pigmented as what they're saying. It's put fairy dust all over my face. Yeah, and it's really funny because I have the Bella Pierre highlighter that I've been using, and I absolutely love it. And I'm not a big, huge fan of Bella Pierre, so it's kind of odd. Now, I did use the lip gloss from Luxebox, and I have to agree with Lisa. This is really nice lip gloss. It's kind of feels like a lipstick with chapstick together. It's really nice. I did use the lip pencil, and I really, really liked the lip pencil. The light pink one, it would have been like Crush from Glossy-Box as well. But then I put the lip liner. I also added the lip liner I got from e.l.f. and they were almost matching. How crazy is that? So I have like both of those on, and then I put the lip gloss over, and I really, really like it. My lips feel very moisturized and very nice. So this is a product I will definitely be using again and again. Let's see if I can find it here. I put it right beside me so that I could have it, and of course, I can't see it. Oh, where did it go? Anyway, I also tried this Figs in Rouge, and I think I'm going to be using this now, along with, did I use, no, I didn't even use a blur stick. That's why. I was like, why does my makeup not feel like it's going on right? I didn't use the blur stick. So anyway, I did use this, and I have to say I kind of liked it. Now, this is the Figs in Rouge that I got from Glossy so I'm going to like kind of keep that down here, and I'm going to use it. It says intensifies skin's natural glow. Now it does have some delightfully hydrating with hyaluronic acid, vitamins A, C, and E to defend naturally against daily moisture loss. I did put this on after having a shower, and my face feels so good, so good right now. So where did that lip gloss go? It should be in here. Oh, there it is, there it is, there it is. So here it is. This is the lip gloss. I really like it. So anyway, this is getting to be quite long. So anyway, I'm going to add those things to my giveaway, my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So if you guys can head over to my 1,000 subscriber and watch it, as well as my other Boxycharm video, because I have 2 giveaways going on there. Yes, and I should be getting Ipsy hopefully next week, as well as Topbox. It should ship out tomorrow. I have seen some spoilers. I have seen some boxes, but I'm not sure which box I'm getting, or when I'm getting it, or why, or if I'm getting it. But I also have a mystery box coming too from Topbox. So hopefully that is good, and that should be coming. And I believe, is it next month that, yeah, March. March Luxebox is coming out as well, and that is a sister company to Topbox. It is $26, and it's quarterly. That's with $26 plus taxes, no shipping, and it comes with, I think, 5 to 6 full-size items. Can be a hit or miss. I do have a link below for a referral for that. As well, I get a $5 coupon off of any mystery box or limited edition boxes, and that's about it. So anyway, I am off to, I'm off for the night. Have a great night.